Hi everyone, myself Srija Shatpurti from class 6 and today I am going to discuss how to check a number if it is Armstrong or not. So first we have to know what is an Armstrong number. An Armstrong number. So first, for example, we are taking a number like 153. So now we have to do the cube of all the digits, like the cube of 1 into 1 into 1 is equals 1. We all know that. The cube of 5 into 5 into 5, it will be 1 to 5, 125. And the cube of 3 into 3 into 3, it will be 27. And now we are getting some numbers here. We are getting these numbers here. Now we have to plus these numbers. That will be 1 plus 125 plus 27. And we can see that we will get a number that will be 153. Now if we check that this number and the original number are same. So if the number and the original number are same, we can conclude that the number is an Armstrong number. So now our main motto is how to find a number if it is Armstrong or not in Java. So first we have to take a number from the user and we have to store it in the n variable. So first we have to play the while loop, and in the while loop we will give the condition that is n greater than 0, and if the condition will be true, then all these codes inside this loop will be run. So first, which we are using, that we have to take one variable and we have to divide the number by n and we have to take the remainder. For that we have to give the code I equals n%10. So our next step is that we have to take one more variable, that is p, and we have to the remainder which we will get, we have to multiply it 3 times for getting the cube of the remainder. For that we have to write the code p equals I into I into I, and we will get the cube of the remainder which we are getting by dividing the number with 10. After that we have to take one more variable and we have to add the remainder. So we are taking r equals 0, we have already taken here. So we are getting the cube of that digit and that we have to plus with 0. And now we are getting, for that we have to write the code r equals r plus p. And at the very last we have to take the n variable, we have to change the n variable and we have to divide the number with 10 once again, and we have to take the quotient. For that we will not write n%10, we will write n equals n by 10. And this is the line, and here our while loop will be ended and it will be repeated until this condition will be true, and we will get all the digits here. After that we have to play the if else condition we have to give. So as per our Armstrong number definition, so this addition, if it will be if the number will be same as the original number, then the number is an Armstrong number. So we will play the if else condition here, that is the original number, that is n, we have to play here n equals r. So now we have to write system.out.println, the number is an Armstrong number, or else the number is not an Armstrong number. But our program is not completed here. If we will run this program, we will check that the value is not coming, because here in the while loop we have already changed the value of n, and now if we apply this n here, then our program will be not correct. So very first, after taking the n variable from the user, at the very first we have to store this n variable in some other variable, that is s, and here we have to take the s variable, that s equals r, then the program will surely work. And from here we can conclude that the number is an Armstrong number or not. So now we are going to run the code. So it is the number 6 program. Let's run the code. We have to enter the number from the user. Let's enter 153 and let's check if it is Armstrong or not, because we already know it is an Armstrong number. So here our result is coming, it is an Armstrong number. So now we are going to give one more number which is not an Armstrong number. let's run one more time. And we are giving the number as 1, 2, 3. And here it is coming, the number is not an Armstrong number. So we can conclude that our program is totally correct. Here we are ending our program, and I think you're all clear how to check an Armstrong number in Java. But still, if you're having any doubt, then please comment in the comment box and we will surely clear your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.